Remember that thing we found in the sewer a couple videos ago? Well, we're digging it up. Hot tub, pool. These drop cloths or tarps, both of them were like 230 bucks. So this is where the sewer is, right here. And then there's a retaining wall on the other side of this, and then an alley. I'll show you. But it starts to go downhill right in the tree line there, and that's where the issue is. The sewer for the house runs directly under these stairs. I crawled under there, we located it, and it goes under the pool. It's 6 feet deep right here. And the pool right here we measured is about 4 feet deep at this location. So not gonna be easy. So we're saw cutting right here. I don't know, maybe this whole section right here. Not sure yet, but I'm paying a couple guys to saw cut, jackhammer, and dig it out. I got so many other jobs to take care of. I can't spend a day here screwing around digging and stuff. Manhole right there. Sewer runs down the street. And this is the retaining wall. And that location is about right here. So, I mean, that's a 7-8 foot retaining wall. So it's gonna be shooting straight down. And somewhere tying into the street, likely right there. So that's it for now. I'm waiting for this guy to get here, and then I'm gonna take off, and I got a bunch of jobs to get done today. Right. You guys are, oh, you already got it cut out?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah, dude. Okay, I got, dang, man. Good job, dude.
It's,
I was gonna come over here and cut it out and do all that, but shit. You guys are freaking animals, dude. You guys are amazing. Should I get my camera and look down there?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. All right. I thought it was freaking...
You got the hole here.
Damn, look at those roots, dude. No
understand.
wonder I couldn't jet it out. I was trying to jet this.
You
and
put the jetter?
Yeah, I have a jetter.
Yeah, the jetter, the nozzle is coming outside.
Exactly. That's what I thought, dude. I was like, because I told my guy, Carlos, I was like, I'm pretty sure that's open to the freaking ground. Yeah. And no wonder I couldn't jet it out. Yeah. Holy cow.
When they run the jetter, the nozzle is outside the pipe.
Dang, all right, man. You guys are awesome. Let me grab my camera and some gloves. Bro, those guys are freaking animals. I didn't know they were gonna cut it out for me and do the whole thing. Wow. I'm so happy right now. Holy cow. I was just like, yeah, just dig it up. Carlos and I will do the rest. And I get here right now. It's all cut out, and that's just freaking amazing. Those guys, that guy is a very, very experienced plumber. And guy's like probably 60. And I learned a lot from that guy. Doesn't speak the best English, but boy, he knows what he's doing. That's for sure. All right. There it is.
That's for
the
camera?
What's that?
For the...
That's what we saw.
Okay.
But it was when I was cameraing the line, it was really hard to tell.
Yeah.
This looked a lot bigger on the camera, but clearly that wasn't the issue. This would have gone right into the city sewer. Yeah. This was absolutely not the issue at all.
Maybe.
It was this. I mean, that's freaking crazy. And the fact that it was completely rotted out on the bottom.
It's when you run the jetty.
Yeah.
The jetty coming outside.
Yeah, exactly. I was thinking the same exact thing. All right, let's get the camera. Okay, so it's pretty much block solid right here, and can't see much. So we're gonna install the pipe, and then we'll put a vertical clean out, and then we'll put another clean out going towards the house, and then yeah, we got a 4-inch right here. So
That's ABS.
that's ABS?
Yeah.
Oh, is it? Oh yeah, you're right. The owner was telling me that they redid the pool about 10 years ago, and when they installed it, they rerouted this.
Yeah.
And there's a portion like up to those stairs right there. It's cast iron, and then under the pool it all converts to ABS, and then it went back to cast iron, which that completely makes sense. How far did the ABS go out? Was that it? Was there a no hub band there?
No, it's ABS.
Yeah, but how did you cut it there, or did it go out further?
It's the cast iron. Yeah.
Okay. So there was a no hub band there. Yeah, you can see there was a no hub band because there's no dirt right here. See?
That's ABS.
Okay. So we are the no hub band connecting to a combi heading towards the house, and then we got the no hub band on the vertical, and we're gonna put a vertical clean out right like this. But now we're just checking level, so I need to bring that over just a touch. All right, there you go. Vertical clean out. Made a little mess up on the measurement, but that's all right. Coupling, and then so you have this clean out that goes towards the house. This one goes down into the city. Yes, I understand there could be a clog right there. However, highly unlikely, lots of pitch, and if there is a clog right there, there is a clean out in the crawl space. They have an actual walk-in basement, so if necessary, they always have that. But I really wanted to make sure they had a clean out going under the pool, because what a nightmare that would be if you always had to snake it from the inside over there. So there you go. That's it. Okay. Oh yeah, it went right through. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that it went right through. Flushed out the system with the garden hose, and we're 27 feet in, and the actual 4-inch cast iron is fine, but once we arrive at the 6-inch clay, see how it transitions from that rough looking pipe to, and then it goes to that smooth clay. You have a major root intrusion with a really big root right there. A really big root. What is that?
A cable.
That's a cable.
Cable.
Oh.
This cable.
That's a snake.
Snake. Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was like a long root.
No.
Looks like someone's cable got stuck in there. Ooh.
See the blade?
Ooh. You can look, it's all tangled up right there.
Yeah.
Oh no. Right there. Oh no. That's That's really not good, man. Oh no. I wonder how long that's been in there. Someone got it stuck and they just cut it, huh? Yeah, you're right. That is a freaking cable. Looks like a 5/8.
Yeah.
Oof. Well, the cast iron up until the clay is good. We cleared all the roots out of that. Oh no, that's not good, man. Okay, so we're done for the day. Talked to the owner, and it looks like our really only option is we got to dig this up, and it's going to be a public works. I have to get a public works guy, and that there's a license, a public works license, where they can dig up city streets and stuff like that. So what's going to have to happen, and he was saying that the cities don't want multiple materials used. So you have ABS, then we transition with a no hub band to cast iron, and then it goes horizontal, and then out in the alleyway it transitions to terracotta, to clay. The public works guy was saying they don't want that anymore. They want ABS all the way out, and then they transition to ABS to SDR to the city. That's how they like to do it. So they don't want a mixture, and you're cutting pipes using no hub bands, this and that, and there's all these transitions, and they want it done right. So that means this is going to have to get dug out more. Another 5 feet is what we measured, and then saw cut on the other side, excavate, get those plates, get it inspected. And so this is going to be a 2-part video, if not more. But this is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. The craziest thing is Jose, that him and his guy dug this out all by themselves. I didn't have to do anything. I just show up and I pipe it in. But this is going to have to be removed and redone. So, yeah, we're going to have to, we can save some of the pieces. We'll save this clean out probably. I don't know, but it's going to be, I'm going to be spending a lot of time over here over the next few weeks, because one, I live very close, and I have a good rapport with the owner, and I'm doing everything I can. I mean, really, it's just tough when you face this scenario. I mean, you got a snake stuck in your sewer, and it's probably been draining all these years, but yeah, it's going to drain until it doesn't, and then you're going to really wish that you did it while all this was open. And that's what the owner is kind of battling with right now. It's like, oh, what should I frickin' do, you know? So, we can leave this pipe here for now. Just some little sticks. But that's it. That's it, folks.